Get ready to dive into the world of the most potent and awe-inspiring hacking gadgets of 2024. Buckle up because these devices are set to blow your mind. Stay ahead of the game and join the tech revolution with Science Tech Exploration. Please ensure to hit that wonderful subscribe button. Are you ready to elevate your hacking game? Look no further than the Flipper Zero hacking gadget, available on both Amazon and Aliexpress. With its sleek design and powerful capabilities, the Flipper Zero is the ultimate tool for hackers and security enthusiasts. This versatile device boasts features like wireless communication, infrared, NFC support, and an onboard display. Whether you're testing your own security systems or exploring vulnerabilities in others, the Flipper Zero has you covered. Its user-friendly interface and open-source platform provide flexibility for customization. Don't wait! Order your Flipper Zero today and join the growing community of hackers and tech enthusiasts taking their skills to the next level. Are you searching for an innovative way to stay connected and discreetly receive phone calls? Enter the Signal Watch hacking gadget, available on Amazon and Aliexpress. This cutting-edge device lets you answer calls by simply placing your fingertip to your ear. With a sleek design and advanced technology, the Signal Watch is perfect for those valuing convenience and style. Enjoy hands-free communication, a fitness tracker, and messaging notifications. Stay on top of health goals and never miss an important message while keeping your phone out of sight. Upgrade your communication game with the Signal Watch hacking gadget, a must-have for anyone aiming to stay connected and fashionable simultaneously. Introducing the ultimate tool for eavesdropping, the Wall Sound Listener hacking gadget. This incredible device allows you to listen in on conversations on the other side of walls, making it perfect for private investigators, journalists, or anyone with a curious streak. With high-tech sound amplification technology, this gadget can pick up even the slightest whispers from up to 50 feet away. Its compact design ensures easy concealment, allowing you to listen in on conversations discreetly. Whether monitoring neighbors, employees, or satisfying your curiosity, the Wall Sound Listener hacking gadget is the ideal tool for the job. Add this fun and exciting gadget to your collection. Buy it now on Amazon or AliExpress and delve into the world of espionage like never before. The Ubertooth one is a powerful hacking gadget gaining popularity among tech enthusiasts and security professionals. This compact and portable device is designed to monitor, analyze, and manipulate Bluetooth traffic, making it a valuable tool for testing the security of wireless devices and networks. If you're serious about security or a tech enthusiast, the Ubertooth one is a powerful and essential addition to your toolkit. Don't wait! Head over to Amazon or AliExpress and grab yours today with just a few clicks. Enter the USB Rubber Ducky, a versatile hacking gadget that should be a staple in the toolkit of any tech-savvy individual. Available on both Amazon and AliExpress, this small yet powerful device allows you to execute a diverse range of hacking operations effortlessly. With its straightforward design, the USB Rubber Ducky can be easily plugged into any computer, executing pre-programmed keystrokes to automate tasks or run specific code. Whether you're assessing your own system's security or probing a client's network as a cybersecurity professional, the USB Rubber Ducky stands out for its ability to bypass traditional security measures. If you seek a potent, user-friendly, and highly effective hacking gadget, look no further than the USB Rubber Ducky. Its affordability and versatility make it a perfect addition to any hacker's toolkit. The Wi-Fi Pineapple, a potent hacking gadget widely embraced by ethical hackers and security professionals, is your go-to tool for testing and securing wireless networks. Available on both Amazon and AliExpress, this gadget boasts a compact and portable design, making it easy to carry and use anywhere. With its robust processor, advanced wireless capabilities, and user-friendly interface, the Wi-Fi Pineapple facilitates seamless setup and operation. Empower yourself to monitor, capture, and analyze network traffic, conduct various security tests and assessments. Elevate your cybersecurity skills with the Wi-Fi Pineapple. Purchase yours today. Share your thoughts on this gadget in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe to Science Tech Exploration for the latest hacking gadgets and cybersecurity news. For tech enthusiasts and cybersecurity experts, the HackRF1 is a familiar name. This highly versatile software-defined radio SDR is perfect for those wanting to delve into the realm of wireless communications and hacking. Small yet powerful, the HackRF1 can transmit, receive, and manipulate a wide range of radio frequencies. Use it for tasks like analyzing and decoding wireless signals, testing wireless network security, or even creating your radio station. What sets it apart is its open-source hardware platform, allowing customization to suit your specific needs. Purchase the HackRF1 on Amazon or Aliexpress. Explore the world of wireless communications and hacking, and take your skills to the next level. The USB killer hacking gadget is a formidable tool to test your device's resilience against power surge attacks. Resembling a regular USB flash drive, this device delivers a high-voltage shock to USB-enabled devices, causing permanent damage to their hardware. Although not intended for malicious use, ethical hackers, security researchers, and tech enthusiasts favor it to assess device security. Purchase the USB killer on popular online marketplaces like Amazon and AliExpress if you're looking to enhance your device security. If gaining unauthorized access to sensitive information is your aim, a hardware keylogger hacking gadget might be just what you need. These inconspicuous devices can be plugged into a computer's USB port, recording every keystroke made on the keyboard. Their simplicity, requiring no software installation and compatibility with any operating system, makes hardware keyloggers a popular choice among both novice and experienced hackers. Find a variety of options on Amazon and AliExpress, making them useful for security professionals and IT administrators monitoring their own systems. If a potent hacking tool is what you seek, a hardware keylogger could be your solution. For those eager to delve into the realms of RFID and NFC technology, the ProMark 3 NFC RFID card reader stands out as the ultimate hacking gadget. This powerful device effortlessly reads, writes, and clones RFID and NFC cards, catering to security professionals, penetration testers, and hobbyists. With its compact size and user-friendly interface, the ProMark 3 becomes the ideal tool for exploring the vulnerabilities inherent in RFID and NFC technology. It can sniff and replay card transactions, crack encryption keys, and even simulate an RFID or NFC tag, providing unparalleled control over these technologies. Don't wait. Order your ProMark 3 NFC RFID card reader today from Amazon or AliExpress and embark on the fascinating world of RFID and NFC hacking. Look no further than the Hacking Elite Cable Gadget, available now on both Amazon and AliExpress, if you're ready to hack into cable systems and access premium channels. Say goodbye to expensive cable bills and hello to endless entertainment options. This compact device, the Hacking Elite Cable, is remarkably user-friendly, making it the perfect choice for both experienced hackers and beginners alike. For more thrilling updates on the latest tech gadgets, subscribe to Science Tech Exploration and hit the bell icon. Stay tuned for exciting developments in the world of technology.